I hope you are doing great. So currently we're in a farm this morning, North Lakes Farms. We're in a catfish farm here around Ogun State. Yeah, this is Ogun State, and as you can see, this is an earthen pond. So the owner of this farm actually contacted us to help him make proper sales of the fishes in these ponds. And as you all know, this is part of what we do in our Lakes Farms. We help people sell fishes in the proper way. So we'll be making sales in this farm. Before we make sales, we have to get some things ready. We need some equipment on this farm. So once we get it ready, we would show you guys how we make the sales as usual. So follow us as we make our proper sales on this farm. So that's about that for today. If you love what you see, don't forget to hit the like button.